I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Apple ID at Apple.id. Apple.com. Enter your credentials and complete the two-factor prompt on a trusted device. This proves ownership. Once signed in, navigate to Security because that section controls two-factor settings. Make sure you have a secondary phone number added. Apple may require it to verify changes. If you can't receive codes, pause and add a reachable number now because you'll need to authenticate before making any security changes. You're in Security now. Look for the two-factor authentication panel. If Turn Off is available, click it and follow prompts. Apple will ask why and require verification codes to proceed. If Turn Off is not offered, you'll see notes explaining it can't be disabled for accounts created recently or with certain features enabled. That's intentional for safety. Once done, continue through confirmation screens and read the implications. Turning it off reduces account protection and may affect app access. You finish by confirming the change and reviewing trusted devices. Remove any you no longer use. Once disabled, sign back into Icloud on your devices to ensure services resume. Some apps may prompt for new app-specific passwords, so regenerate them where required. If the option was grayed out or blocked, don't force changes. Instead, contact Apple support and be ready to prove identity. One key troubleshooting tip. If verification fails, check date/time settings and network connectivity, then retry verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.